Sai Pallavi versus Samantha comparison video. Real name Sai Pallavi is Sai Pallavi. Samantha is Samantha Ruth Prabhu. Nickname Sai Pallavi is Sai Pallavi. Samantha is Sam Samantha. Date of birth Sai Pallavi is 9 March 1992. Samantha is 28 April 1987. Age Sai Pallavi is 34 years. Samantha is 38 years. Birthplace Sai Pallavi is Kotagiri. Samantha is Chennai. Profession Sai Pallavi is actress model. Samantha is actress model. Height Sai Pallavi is 5 feet 5 inches. Samantha is 5 feet 4 inches. Weight Sai Pallavi is 54 kilograms. Samantha is 52 kilograms. Education Sai Pallavi is MBBS. Samantha is graduate. Hobbies Sai Pallavi is gardening, farming. Samantha is gardening. Year active Sai Pallavi is 2005. Samantha is 2010. Debut movie Sai Pallavi is Kasturi Man. Samantha is Vinnaitandi Varuvaya. Debut television Sai Pallavi is Ungaliliyar Aduta Prabhudeva show. Samantha is Big Boss 4 Telugu. Marital status Sai Pallavi is unmarried. Samantha is married. Spouse Sai Pallavi is not available. Samantha is Raj Nidimoru. Religion Sai Pallavi is Hindu. Samantha is Hindu. Nationality Sai Pallavi is Indian. Samantha is Indian. Zodiac sign Sai Pallavi is Taurus. Samantha is Taurus. Monthly income Sai Pallavi is 80 lakhs. Samantha is 3 crores. Net worth Sai Pallavi is 50 crores. Samantha is 100 to 110 crores. Total movies Sai Pallavi is 18 movies. Samantha is 51 movies. Upcoming movies Sai Pallavi is 3 movies. Samantha is 1 movie. Favorite hero Sai Pallavi is Surya. Samantha is NTR. Favorite heroine Sai Pallavi is Anushka Shetty. Samantha is Parvati Tiruvotu. Favorite food Sai Pallavi is Kerala sweets. Samantha is South Indian food. Instagram followers Sai Pallavi is 12.8 millions. Samantha is 38 millions. YouTube followers Sai Pallavi is not available. Samantha is 962k. Facebook followers Sai Pallavi is 3.9 millions. Samantha is 18 millions. Twitter followers Sai Pallavi is 2.8 millions. Samantha is 9.7 millions. Do like and subscribe. Comment your favorite one.